गाइस कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। गाइस, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द स्पीच ऑफ मार्वेलस प्रशांत किशोर स्पीच he delivered in Tamil Nadu about TVK. सो कुछ चीज़ें मैं प्रशांत किशोर के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा जो आप लोगों को भी सुनना चाहिए दोस्तों। Prashant Kishore is a well equipped man, well faced man, not in Bihar only, but internationally he is famous. Prashant Kishore is well educated, well experienced leader with well equipped man who really wants to transform the Bihar in many manners like corruption, employment, women powers, and lots of inequalities that is happening in Bihar. So it's not hide and seek game, you know, that's are doing by the lots of state parties like I am not disclosing the name, but you already know. So his journey is not less than a war, but his goal will truly succeed to remove all the wrong practices what's going in Bihar. So let's just uh, have a glimpse of Prashant Kishore speech. Then we talk about how in Tamil Nadu TVK will transform, and might be his government will be taking power in coming election. So start his speech first, then we will talk about.
Please welcome one and only திரு பிரசாந்த் கிஷோர், ஃபவுண்டர் ஆஃப் ஜன் சுராஜ். ஒரு அரங்கம் நிறைந்த கரவொலியோடு நம்முடைய விருந்தினரை வரவேற்போம்.
Please put your hands, man.
Vanakkam.
For him.
This much even Modi ji says. So every leader knows that they have to come to Tamil Nadu and say Vanakkam. And Tamilians will be very happy. I'm wondering, it's like 3 hours, almost 3 hours, almost equivalent to a movie, and you are listening his speeches after his speech. And the real actor is yet to come, and you are still excited. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Just few words. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Thank you, TVK family. Thank you, Tamil Nadu. There's a lot of chatter today, probably last few days, and going to be in next few days as well. It's about TVK and PK. What it means. A lot of people think that TVK with PK has a better chance to win. A lot of people are also anxious what it would do. A lot of you would also be skeptical. Does it even add anything? Let me tell you at the beginning, your victory or the final result, whatever it may be, has got nothing to do with PK. It has got all to do with what you do, what your leader does, what the workers of TVK supporters will do. Then why I am here? 4 years I have not stepped in this domain. Last time I have worked with any leader or any party was in 2021, and it so happened it was Tamil Nadu only. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. After which I retired. I announced my retirement from what I used to do, and media used to call it political strategy. Then after 4 years, why I am
Guys, before ending his speech, why he visited Tamil Nadu. So let me brief you some, marvelous step taken by the Prashant Kishore. So you know already, Prashant Kishore recently meeting with the actor, turned politician Vijay in Chennai signifies a strategic collaboration aimed at ब्रिंगिंग पॉलिटिशियन चेंज इन तमिलनाडु। पहले वो एक्टर थे, फिर उन्होंने रिसेंटली पॉलिटिशियन एज अ पॉलिटिशियन ज्वाइन कर लिया। उन्होंने अपनी एक पार्टी बनाई, आप सभी को पता है, टीवी के। सो किशोर हैज़ एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज सपोर्ट फॉर विजय party named TVK ahead, and you already know about the upcoming election in 2026, Tamil Nadu Assembly election, describing Vijay as the new hope for Tamil Nadu. Because you already know in Tamil Nadu also there are lots of corruption, political injustice happening in Tamil Nadu, not encouraging women power, and lots of wrong practices is also there. So, ahead of the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, describing Vijay as the new hope for the Tamil Nadu, and emphasizing TVK as a movement representing the desire for change among millions in the state. So, Kishor has taken on the role of a special advisor. So they have visited for a special advisor for TVK for Vijay, but it's not the fact. So advisor to TVK offering his experience, not as a a political advisor, but for his support, offering his experience in political strategies to bolster the party's prospects in the upcoming elections. So he clarified that his involvement is in a in personal capacity and not as a part of his former organization. You already know his former organization, the Indian Political Action Committee, IPAC. So let's continue with this speech.
I'm here. I'm not here to strategize for TVK. You don't need my strategy.
I already explained.
I'm not here to help my brother, my friend Vijay, because he doesn't need that help. I'm here because I truly feel that my announcement has been that I will not work with any leader or party. But then Vijay is not a leader. He is not a leader, political leader for me. He is the new hope for Tamil Nadu. And that's why I'm here. TVK is not a political party for me. It's a moment of millions of those who want to see a new political order in Tamil Nadu. Enough.
इन्होंने ऐसा क्यों कहा न्यू पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर? बिकॉज ये एक्टर थे और ये मास जो मूवमेंट है उसको कंट्रोल करने की विजय जी के पास, मिस्टर विजय के पास, जो टीवीके के फेस हैं, उनके पास वो कैपेसिटी है। तो उन्होंने इस फैमिली को, जो टीवीके के फैमिली हैं, जो तमिलनाडु के लोग हैं, उनको उन्होंने जो स्टार बनाया है। तो बहुत सारे जो करप्शंस के ऊपर जो बात हुई है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, तो एक चमकता सितारा देखते हैं आगे।
Of what you have been seeing in last 30-35 years, it's time for change, and TVK under the leadership of Vijay represents the change, the hope, and that's why I'm here. I'm here because when I spoke to him, I found shared value, ideals, ideologies, and above all, the shared goal, the desire to bring change in the lives of vast majority of our fellow citizens. A change that is based and rooted in dignity, equality, and opportunity. Dignity for all, equality for all sections of society, irrespective of your caste, creed, religion, and opportunity for each and every citizen of Tamil Nadu to be the best what they could become, irrespective of what their fathers do, what their family does, what their pedigree is. And that's why I'm here to help him in whatever little way I could. I would love to see Tamil Nadu. Actually, last many years I've been studying Tamil Nadu. I don't speak Tamil, but I do understand little bit. And one thing I can promise you, next year, when TVK wins,
दोस्तों एक चीज मैं भी बताना